Guys, Retro Tech Ralph here. I'm I'm over the 100 mark. We're going to be going for I'm going to do a little bit of an update on what I've got to do, and I've actually got some new acquisitions into the garage. So I'm going to take you off the stand. We're here. I got the flash on, but that's okay. Right, coming down. Unclip. If you've never seen it before, that's all I use. Is a car mount to look down from there. Pretty nothing really, but it does me all right anyway. My lighting rig is pathetic in it. See, I tell you there were pieces of tape on for the lights, but and still doesn't cure the rolling. So right, I've just a new board by Jamie. It's a matte. It's like a foam core sort of material, and it's matte finish. Actually, I'll show you this while I'm here, because you may have remembered there was two. There was the matte one. This one, I do like this, and I think I'm going to keep this one because it's a gloss finish, and you can see there's the light reflecting from above. I've got a couple of strip lights up there for help with the garage area, but it looks really good, but it's too reflective, so the matte one is absolutely perfect for anything and everything. Yay! So what I have is as follows. Somebody got in touch with me I think about a week ago, a guy called Naz. Now he's got a few PC equipment, and what he's given me is these. Now, let's just get rid of the box for this one, handy in. Right. I don't know what to do with these, and to be honest, I'm going off of doing teardowns of systems. I mean, I think these are all Dell. I don't have a clue what this one is. It's just actually on both of them. Actually, there's a Dell Dimension 4500. It's got bits and bats in it, and to be honest, if it runs XP, which it does, a Pentium 4, it's more of an old retro system. This doesn't show what it is. The one on top here, upside down Dell, so it is a Dell. I don't know what to do. I might do a fast forward strip down video of all these. Doesn't even show what it is. Yes, it is on its side. But this thing, I mean, it's a full normal standard PC height. Yeah, and it's the width of a PC. I mean, there's only one DVD player on it, but it's absolutely huge. I mean, it's stupidly, ridiculously huge, and it weighs a ton. And the motherboard is actually that big. So I don't know what to do with that. I mean, it weighs a ton. Because I little scrap dealer for about 100 quid. I don't know. And so I've got 4 here that I can tear down, strip down, and see what I can find from them. I'm collecting a lot of stuff which it is no good, and I can't make much from it. I'm sure I can't. But what I've got at the moment, which is we've got these boxes here. Sorry, I'm in the middle of painting something at a minute. Is more than enough. I've got a box in here full of motherboards, and I think I've got far too many. Naz also gives me a monitor as well, but you can see that is not even the right colour yellow, correct colour of the plastic, but the back has yellowed crazily. I mean, I talked to Retro Man Cave quite a bit, and he's absolutely brilliant. He's a great guy, gives me a lot of advice. But even I couldn't use the baking powder for fluffy muffins on that, and attempt to, well, with the British summer finally here after quite a long time, then I don't even think I want to put a Viglin flat screen monitor and retro bright it. And it's a good test, but I've got on my own system over here, I've got one monitor here, I've got the telly in front from when I do my lots of, I'll read off there and inwards, but I've got 2. I've got a third Dell monitor up there just in case, but I don't I don't know, maybe I could do a strip down of a monitor and see what I can do. So I've got these to do in one big video, I think. I need to get on top of these, the grandstands. I'm really desperate to, because I want to get them fixed. I know both the 3000s aren't working properly. I've not done anything with the second one when I got it, but the first one kept ballsing up on me all the time. But I need to get something done with them. This is a load of laptops, as well as the 360 Xbox, which I got, which I need to do something with that. I haven't plugged it in yet. But there's the laptop really wants stripping down. That I'm leaving as is. Got my Xboxes sat there, absolutely spot on. Love playing them when I get round to it. But there's one major thing I need to start with. I really need to start on this thing, and it's not as big as the Dell, but I need to start on this the workstation, the Compaq. I mean, it's a Pentium 3, so I've definitely got something old. But yeah, I really need to get on with this to strip it down, tear down. It's even got its original bright yellow keyboard with it, and I don't know what to do with it because there's stuff that I can't figure out what to do with. But it's just a quick update on everything, what's in the garage at the moment. I do like these. I mean, that's my logo. They're really good. I picked them up last week, absolutely brilliant. So yeah, let's put you back in in my state-of-the-art tripod. But yeah, it's just an update of what I need to do. I need to crack on with things, to be honest, and I'm just not in the mood to do things. I'm come past a big holiday, not a big holiday, a big birthday, and yay, I'm getting old. But I've got some time off from work, so let's crack on with some of these. So I'm going to get on with these tomorrow, maybe the day after. But thanks for watching, and hold on. Brilliant, love this. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.